You should live your dreams, they say, but that is easier said than done. One of my dreams was to explore Central and Eastern Europe on my motorbike. So I came up with the idea to follow the river Danube from the Black Forest in Germany to the delta where the Danube enters the Black Sea in Romania. I did a lot of reading and YouTube research on the subject. With more than 2,800 kilometers, the river Danube is the longest river in Central Europe. It is twice the length of the river Rhine. The source or sources of the Danube can be found in the Black Forest in Germany. Cities like Vienna and Budapest thank their rich history in part of the Danube trading routes. The river was a natural border between the Roman Empire and the savages to the north. The river grows in size the further you go east. It creates canyons and green valleys. It squeezes itself through the Iron Gate, the stretch where the Balkan and Carpathian mountains almost touch. At the mouth of the river it splits in different arms and forms a delta. The remote swamps and creeks together create a one-of-a-kind nature reserve. It is a bird sanctuary with a large colony of pelicans. You can enter this area only by boat. The next question during the preparation was how to plan the return route. Heading east again, I decided to explore Transylvania, a region in central Romania. Check out the castles and the Dracula vibe that may haunt the area. Then further north to cross the Carpathian Mountains and follow the Ukraine border. Via Hungary and Slovakia you then reach southern Poland. I planned to visit Krakow in Poland and the forests in Czechia further to the west. Just before entering Germany I planned to stop in Carlsbad in Czechia to experience the splendor and wealth of the rich people in the 19th century. All in all, I considered that the month should be okay to have the time to check out the scenery along the route. That should also give some room for out of the saddle days, to explore and take in the surroundings. We did avoid the highways as much as possible. The back roads are not only more fun to ride, they also enable you to better experience the ever-changing scenery along the route. And last, and certainly not least, I found an old friend and buddy who was prepared to travel with me during this trip. So we jumped on our GS's to cross the 11 countries and live the dream I had carefully prepared. In the weeks to come you can join us on this trip, as the videos of the different trip sections will be uploaded on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing.